Hello, my seniors. If you're over 60 and you've been feeling more stiffness in your knees or waking up with sore joints that take a while to loosen up, this video is for you. Because today, we're uncovering the top 5 foods that silently damage your joints, and most people don't even realize they're eating them every single day. And don't worry, I'll also share the better alternatives that actually protect and rebuild your joint cartilage naturally, so you can move freely and feel stronger again. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Why joints hurt more? As we age. As we get older, our joints, the places where bones meet, naturally lose some of their cushioning cartilage. That's the soft tissue that helps your knees, hips, and shoulders move smoothly. Over time, this cartilage can wear down, leading to stiffness, swelling, and pain, what doctors often call osteoarthritis. But here's something important. It's not just aging that causes this. What we eat every day plays a big role in how fast our joints break down or how well they heal. Certain foods can actually fuel inflammation in the body, like adding gasoline to a fire, while others help calm it down. So let's talk about the worst offenders first. Food. 1. Sugary foods. Drink sugar may taste sweet, but what it does to your joints isn't sweet at all. When you eat too much sugar, whether from soda, cookies, pastries, or even sweet tea, it triggers something called glycation. That's when sugar molecules stick to proteins in your body, including collagen, the main protein that keeps your joints flexible. Over time, this process creates ages, or advanced glycation end products, and these ages cause your cartilage to become stiff, brittle, and inflamed. In fact, studies show that people with higher sugar intake have more severe arthritis symptoms and slower recovery after joint injuries. Instead of sugary desserts, try fresh fruits like berries, which are rich in antioxidants that protect your joints from inflammation. And if you love a sweet drink, make a lemon honey water or use stevia for a natural sweetness boost. Food. Number 2. Processed meats. These might be convenient, but they're some of the worst culprits for joint inflammation. Processed meats are high in saturated fats, preservatives, and nitrates, all of which trigger inflammatory reactions in the body. They also promote the release of substances called cytokines, which directly damage the tissue around your joints. If you often eat bacon or sausage in the morning, it may be silently worsening your knee or hip pain. Switch to lean proteins like fish, chicken, lentils, or beans. Fatty fish such as salmon and sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids that actually reduce inflammation and help rebuild joint cartilage. Imagine replacing your morning bacon with grilled salmon once or twice a week. Your joints will thank you. Food. Number 3. Refined carbs. You might not think of bread or noodles as harmful, but here's the truth. Refined carbohydrates are one of the quietest triggers of joint inflammation after 60. When we eat white bread, white rice, or sugary cereals, our blood sugar spikes quickly. And every time that happens, it causes a small burst of inflammation inside the body, including your joints. Over time, this constant cycle can damage joint tissue, make arthritis pain worse, and slow down healing. Refined carbs are also stripped of natural fiber, so your body digests them fast, giving you less energy and more stiffness later in the day. Switch to whole grains like oats, quinoa, or brown rice. They digest slowly, keep your energy steady, and are rich in B vitamins and magnesium, which help muscles relax and joints move smoothly. Imagine starting your morning with a bowl of warm oatmeal topped with cinnamon and berries instead of white toast. It's a small change with big results. Food. Number 4. Vegetable oils high in omega-6 fats. This one surprises a lot of people. Oils like corn oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, and canola oil are found in almost everything, from salad dressings to chips and fried foods. While these oils aren't bad by themselves, they're extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids, which the body only needs in small amounts. When we eat too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3, our body becomes unbalanced, leading to chronic inflammation. That inflammation doesn't just affect your heart or digestion. It directly impacts your joint lining and increases pain. Use olive oil or avocado oil for cooking, and add chia seeds or flax seeds to your meals. These contain omega-3s that balance your system and help reduce joint stiffness. Even swapping out one type of oil can make a noticeable difference over time. Food. Number 5. Excess dairy. Now, this one depends on the person, but for many adults over 60, dairy can be a hidden source of inflammation. Some people have a mild sensitivity to casein, a protein found in cow's milk. When that protein enters the body, it can trigger the immune system, leading to more inflammation in the joints and tissues. This doesn't mean you need to cut out dairy entirely, but if you notice more pain after having cheese, ice cream, or milk, your body might be trying to tell you something. Try plant-based milk like almond or oat milk, or switch to low-fat yogurt with probiotics. Probiotics help reduce inflammation and support gut health, which is deeply connected to how our joints feel. And if you love cheese, go for small amounts of goat cheese or feta, which are easier to digest. What to avoid and what to eat instead. Let's quickly go over what we've learned. Avoid or limit sugary foods and drinks, processed meats, refined carbs, omega-6, heavy oils, excess dairy. Eat more of berries and fruits, lean protein and fatty fish, whole grains, olive oil and seeds, yogurt or plant-based milk. These small, consistent swaps can dramatically reduce inflammation and stiffness, helping your joints stay strong and pain-free for years to come. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your joints and keep your body moving with ease. So next time you're in the kitchen, take a moment to choose the foods that heal instead of harm. Your joints and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips for life after 60. Stay active, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video.